Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we've got a bacon, Havarti cheese, lots of lettuce, and lots of mayo sandwich on sourdough bread. Mike Foster here. It's a simple sandwich, but it's loaded with protein to start your day, and it's loaded with lettuce to pretend that it's healthy. It's loaded with mayo because I love mayo. I'm gonna put this toast down. This is a fast, simple, and easy sandwich. Check this baby out. All right, this is lightly toasted. That is toasted. And the key is lots of mayo. Oh my God, there's a lot right there. All right, that might be too much. So what you do, you take it like this, spread it around, and flip it. Do the same on this side. Spread it around, flip it. Now you take the bacon, and you put those pieces here. There's 4. Oh my God, there's extra bacon. What do you do? And load it up. Load it up with lettuce. Put a little pepper on it. Sorry guys, but we have to put more mayo on it so that it'll all stick. Beautiful. Here's the old flipperoo. It's gonna be a mess. Let's see if we can pull it off. Flipperoo. Oh, he did it. He's a professional. Presseroo. Here's the old sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Ooh, yeah. Let's get a close-up. There's a close-up of that killer sandwich. Big bite coming up. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. Don't hit the cat. Don't hit it. Ah. Best part is a big bite. What's the first thing that gets you? The mayo, that tangy taste of that mayo. The bacon you can taste. It's got a nice bacony taste. Cheese is creamy and the lettuce is crunchy and good for you. Delicious sandwich. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Tell people about it. Subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm chewing. I'm still chewing it. I'll be here for a while. So. My goodness. Uh-oh. Is it baboon? I got a couple kids over here. You want to see them? They're watching TV. There they are. Hey kids. Why don't you kids say it? 1, 2, 3.